How to fix audio delay on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In this guide video, I will simply show you how you can fix if you're facing audio delays on the TikTok app. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first and first, what you want to do is you only face audio lag on the TikTok app if you're relatively using the AirPods version. So if you're using Apple AirPods, this is not only the problem with you, it's problem with every TikToker or every TikTok user who are actually using AirPods. If you go ahead and look up the internet, everybody who are using AirPods on the TikTok app is facing these audio delay issues. The only and the most primary reasons to fix this is to simply get a wired headphone. So go ahead and purchase yourself a wired headphone. It doesn't cost as much as the AirPods, because this is simply the way it's working. TikTok has not actually looked up to this and it fixed this issue, and similarly the AirPods has not made it maybe compatible with all of the devices and all of the applications. This is basically the first thing you need to do, because that is simply how it works. If it's the software wise issues, then what I would recommend you do is there are a bunch of other things which you might want to do. The very first thing we will do is we will go ahead and then open up our settings. Once we open up settings, over here we want to scroll down and look for the option called About Phone. Scroll down and then simply select the button which says Reset. So go ahead and select Reset. As you select Reset, over here you can see this option which says Reset Network Settings. All you have to do is select Reset Network Settings. So you can see the Bluetooth is also included there. So tap on Reset Network Settings, confirm the changes for both of your SIM cards as well as SIM 1 and SIM 2, and reset it. Reconnect your AirPods which you have over here and then verify if your issue has been fixed or not, because most likely that will fix the issue. If not, as I said earlier, what I recommend you do is to simply switch to wired headphones. This is the way it works on TikTok. Hopefully this video gave you some insights about this. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.